Looking for alarm clocks? Here's Amazon Prime Day deals for you. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, by OnLyee. Amazing Prime Day deal. Number 2, by Vondior. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 3, by Marathon. Number 4, by Homtime. Available now on Amazon. Number 5, by iHome. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 6, by Mondaine. Check the link below, for exclusive Amazon Prime prices. Number 7. Our editor choice. Number 8. For more info click the link below.